Alrighty, so I got 2 of these WORKPRO mini metal toolbox with 2 drawers. So I'm just gonna show you guys to see how it looks, so you guys have an idea if you want to get this or not. But I have opened them up already. So the first one I have is this camo one. Alright, so it has a top lid you can open. It's got these little rubber pieces to them. I gotta figure out what they go to exactly. Maybe they're little replacements for the bottom, but I'm not sure. Yes, they are. Okay. Alright, so you got that. You can put some stuff up here. Let's open the drawers. They're actually pretty deep. Here, I'm gonna put this little battery in here. Fits perfectly. Does not rub on the top. So yeah, it's pretty cute. They have other colors that you can choose from. Alright, let me show you the other one that I have. And this is a pink camo one. It's pretty cute too. Look at them. They're so cute. You guys, if you're looking for a nice little gift for Christmas for that hard-working man or woman mechanic in your life, doesn't have to be a mechanic, but yeah, you guys can choose from this. They have other different color options you can choose from. They are actually pretty sturdy. Cute. You can fit a couple things in there. So yeah, I think it's worth it.